Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by proving you own the device. Gather the original receipt, serial or IMEI, and the Apple ID email linked to the phone. Once done, sign into iCloud. COM or open settings on a different Apple device to confirm activation lock status. This shows whether the phone is still tied to another account. Make sure you can contact the original Apple ID holder if it's their account. If you cannot, prepare to contact Apple support with the documents and the device details immediately. Next, reach out to Apple support or visit an Apple store or authorized service provider with your proof of purchase and photo ID. Legal ownership is the key. Once there, explain the activation lock situation and request an account verification or removal. Apple will guide you through submitting a formal request. If the original owner can cooperate, have them sign in and remove the device from iCloud Find My iPhone directly. Keep the support case number and follow any instructions Apple gives for verification and processing. Finally, complete the process by following Apple's reactivation instructions once they confirm ownership or remove the lock. You may need to restore the device with iTunes or Finder after Apple clears the activation lock. Make sure to use the same Apple ID credentials Apple authorizes. If the request is denied, ask precisely which documents are lacking and remedy that gap. Returning with a clearer proof chain often resolves it. Troubleshooting tip: if you run into delays, request an escalation or written status to present to a retailer or carrier.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.